Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing a wear test try on with the NYX Marsh Mellow primer. I do have actually the full size, but I got this first, so that's what I'm going to use first. We're also trying the Physicians Formula Butter Believe It Foundation and Concealer. I know I probably shouldn't be trying 2 new products at once, but I don't care. Alright, so the claims for the Marshmallow Primer are 10-in-1 smoothing, super face primer infused with marshmallow root extract for outstanding benefits. Finishes as a soft, whipped, transparent finish. Ends makeup wear for 16 hours, hydrates, smooths, evens tones, minimizes texture, blurs lines, adds a soft focus, and keeps makeup fresh. We will see. And as per usual, I'm going to update you in the comments below because I don't have the ability to always check in visually throughout the day. Okay, I'm just using, maybe a little more than that. Maybe 2 little dots. It just feels like a white cream kind of. You know, there's something moussey about it now that I'm actually touching it. Ooh, it smells great. Kind of has a slight marshmallowy scent. That's nice. And if you've never watched me before, sometimes I'll use like an actual primer but most of the time I'll just use my Laneige Cream Skin Refiner Mist as my primer. I said concealer before, ignore me. This is on. It doesn't particularly say to wait, or does it? No, it doesn't say to wait before you use it. Okay, it doesn't feel tacky or anything. So for the Physicians Formula, this is an ultra luxurious foundation and concealer infused with muro butter, some other butter from the Amazon. Incredible, rich, creamy texture, melts into skin, leaving natural, radiant, glowing complexion, long wear, weightless, medium to full coverage. I got the shade light. I don't know if that's right or not. It's always really tricky with Physicians Formula because they have like the shittiest shade range. All right, so I am gonna be using this as my concealer and foundation. A shade light, I don't know, it's hard to tell. It doesn't look far off though. Like it could be close. Oh no, that's a bit light, but too late now. It has that slight butter bronzer smell. Do you guys remember when they put out their perfume to smell like the butter bronzer? That stuff smelled like a freaking public bathroom air freshener. It's disgusting. Seems to be sitting nice over the NYX. And again, I realize I probably should be trying this with like just my Laneige or something, like something that I'm used to, but again, I don't care. I'm a rule breaker. So it is a tad light, especially with these lights glaring, but in real life it's not that horrible because I usually don't walk around with a light in my face. All right, and now we're gonna use it as concealer. I mean, technically you really could use any foundation as a concealer, but... So right off the bat, it looks really nice on my skin. I like the actual like subtle coverage that it has. Like you can still see this, my mole, some of my chin stuff, but it's not completely translucent or sheer. Definitely on like the medium coverage side. It's fine with me. All right, so I'll keep you with me while I put on my cream concealer and my powder, and then I'll finish and do the rest myself. So I was just at TJ Maxx and they had this like perfume spray from like, the hell is his name? I'll write it on the screen. It was like in one of these containers and I smelled it and holy crap, it's one of the best things I've ever smelled. I mean, I bought it obviously. And I'm pretty sure it's like a high-end like perfume brand. Okay, so that blended great. I'll do more warming up my face with the rest of my makeup. So now we'll go in with my powder to set it, and this is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Translucent. And you know what, let's just make sure. I always get like slight creasing under my eyes, no matter what. I don't believe there's actually such thing as a concealer or anything that doesn't settle into fine lines. Oh, that looks so nice. And again, if I wasn't with this big ring light in my face, I mean, the shade wouldn't be that bad. But I mean, I can always deepen it with something else if I need to, and eventually. All right, so I think it looks really nice actually. Very matte, and I mean that's mostly because of my powder at this point, but it doesn't look particularly dry or anything like that. So let me finish the rest of my makeup and everything lays on top, so BRB. All right, and we're done. So you know, everything I use will be in the box below as per usual, and there's not links, like I just tell you what I wore, I'm not trying to sell you shit. All right, so I mean overall, I think it all looks really nice, to be honest. I mean, I was able to warm it up a little bit so I don't look insanely pale. And I'm probably I'm definitely gonna try this again with my other like tried and true foundations that I'm used to seeing, but I'm sure this attributed to like smoothing out the pores in my cheeks, my nose looking nice and kind of smooth. Nothing feels dry or anything like that. So overall, I think they both actually worked out pretty nice, especially together. I do have the putty primer to try out as well, but I kind of wanted to mix it up. I didn't want to use them both together because first off, I don't love putty primers, but I feel like I saw someone's use this and say it felt a lot like Tatcha's putty primer, which I've never tried. I actually have a sample of it, but I don't actually have it. But they said it was better than e.l.f.'s, and I don't really like e.l.f.'s. I don't like the original, I don't like the matte, and I don't like the luminous one. Like, I've given them all away. So yeah, I'm intrigued to try this one. But so far, I definitely think everything looks nice. Even like as a concealer, even though it's not like full coverage or anything, I still think it did what I wanted it to do. So that was it. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried either of these products? Did you love them? Did you hate them? Let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned. Next week I am going to be posting a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.